Preparing iftar for your family becomes an act of service for the sake of Allah. These moments may not feel grand, but they are deeply transformative. Many people miss this blessing because they are waiting for something dramatic. They tell themselves they will increase their effort later, perhaps in the last 10 nights. They wait for a surge of motivation. But spiritual growth does not only happen in extraordinary moments. It happens in consistency across ordinary ones. The beauty of the routine days is that they reveal your true commitment. When there is no special program, no gathering, no heightened emotion, and you still fast sincerely, still pray, still guard your tongue, that is devotion. That is steady faith. Ordinary days also humble you. They remind you that worship is not separate from daily life. It is woven into it. Ramadan does not remove you from your responsibilities. It elevates them when your intention is sincere. Even mundane tasks become meaningful when done seeking Allah's pleasure. By the end of the month, you may realize that it was not only the powerful nights that changed you. It was the accumulation of simple, faithful days. The unnoticed efforts, the quiet afternoons of self-control, the routine acts done with renewed intention. The hidden blessing of ordinary days is that they build a sustainable relationship with Allah, one that continues long after Ramadan ends.